Hi there, Chloe Thompson here, Onboarding and Recruiting Specialist with SNS Services Group, and today I'm going to walk you as the new hire through onboarding online with Paylocity, our ATS system, where you will be filling out paperwork human resources must have on file for you to be able to start with us. You must completely fill out the Paylocity onboarding before your start date happens so that you can receive a paycheck and we can verify your employment. Once you are hired on with us, you will be sent 2 emails from Paylocity. One email that we're viewing now will contain a welcome notification with an orange View Event button for you to be able to click on and be directed to your onboarding packet online. You will notice that in this email, you will also be given the company ID, which for all SNS Services employees is the same number, 46043. And you'll also be given a unique username that should be your first initial and last name, all lowercase and no spaces. The second email will contain your unique password that you will have to enter once you've clicked the View Event orange button. The second email should come at the same time, and it should be titled SNS Services Group LLC Password. So please be aware that if you did not receive either one of these emails, they very well may have gone into your junk or spam folder. So please do check that inbox as well if they did not come into your main inbox. So let's go ahead and on either email, we will go ahead and select the View Event orange button. This will open a new window on your computer and you should be directed to a login page. You will notice that you have to enter the credentials we just went over on the emails. To make things simple, you can simply copy and paste the information within the 2 emails so you do not have to type everything in. Once you have entered all credentials, we will go ahead and click Login. You will then be directed to enter a new password of your choice that you will have to remember and write down. And the first password will no longer be valid within the Paylocity email you received. This password that you make up must contain a series of upper and lowercase letters, a number, or a unique symbol. So once you have entered the new password and written it down to keep in a safe place to remember for the next time you log in, the system will then direct you to the main event, which is your Employee New Hire packet, by clicking Login. In this packet, you will need to complete each task noted on the left-hand side. You will enter your personal contact information, emergency contacts, your direct deposit information, complete withholding forms, and have to upload documents for I-9 verification. Please note that when you get to the I-9 section where you must upload documents, if you do not have access to a scanner where you can scan your Social Security card, passport, or driver's license, you may simply take a photo of the documents that are legible and clear. Please make sure that the document is completely visible before uploading to Paylocity. Once you have successfully completed all of the tasks, the task itself on the left-hand side should turn green. And that is how you will know that no further information is needed. Please reach out to Human Resources for further assistance, and if you have trouble completing the task or logging into Paylocity, we're here to help. Thank you again for watching.